Hi peeps, it is good to see you visiting my channel. Welcome. So have you been searching how to do a bit of dusting and cleaning on this Schenker laptop? Maybe changing the thermal paste even? Well, you came to the right video guide then. Stick around. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. Always disconnect the battery before touching any of the components in your laptop. I will loosen up the heatsink, around 7 screws I believe. No surprise that one is hiding underneath here. It might appear that the heatsink is stuck. Just make sure you didn't forget any screw. Oh boy, this thermal paste sure is dry. This should be enough, using just the plain paper napkin here, folks. I prefer to apply very small amount of thermal compound. These thermal paddings seem okay, right? I'm not going to replace them, but I've cleaned the heatsink properly from the leftover thermal paste. I hope I didn't edit out some of the screws from this video, so please double check. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.